Morning, y'all. Alright, this video is about my cars now. Why did I pick the cars that I went with? So, this is the video about that. So, I'm tired of people asking me questions about my cars and what my plans is. Alright, first off, right now, you're looking at a 2017 Ford Fiesta SE 1.6 4-cylinder. So many words. This car here was my work car at one time. This car here do real great on the highway with gas and everything, y'all. This car here saves a lot of gas for my other cars. So I bought this car back in 2017. It's paid for. It's my car now. So second owner. So see this car on the road now. You ain't got no gas in my cars, or there's some trying to do a fast or quick getaway, y'all. It got a little speed to it too. I need to clean it up, as you can tell. Alright, y'all, that's it for the new school. That's it. Alright, y'all, right here now is my 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe. It is an LS 4.8. And y'all, this is my base truck. I put a number of speakers in this truck now. As y'all know, in previous clips, I put my signs on it. I put my signs on it. There's a 4.8 in it. LS. Alright, y'all. Y'all know I got all these speakers in this truck, right? I got speakers all the way around. I got this coming here too now. I'm gonna have this fixed soon. But anyway, my headliner back there. I drove it yesterday for the first time in a long time. So this truck here is my base truck. So stop asking me questions when the sun's coming. Oh, it's coming, I promise you. All right, now to the new car in the fleet. Right here is my 1985 Mr. Original, y'all. Cutlass. 1985 Cutlass Supreme. I got this car because I wanted me an old school in the garage. So now, the plans for this car is to put a 5.3 in it and put 412s in this truck, in this car. So y'all know I cleaned it up. Y'all know it's real dirty, nasty. I painted the grill. It's half-assed though, but I got it somewhere like I wanted. But these grills is coming out in March. I am going with the $1 Million Smile, which is called the Tierra Grill. I made my own tag down here. So y'all know, when y'all see this, Mr. Original, all right? I put new headlights in it. I put new ceiling lights in the bottom. All stuff LED. New side markers right here. They're all black, as you can tell. All LED. I got bulbs on the inside, up on the roof, and right here on this side right here, LED. That side real hard to get to. The passenger side hard to get to. We got side markers in my back right here. I'm gonna get these right here done over again, and this right here done over. All gonna be black. I am doing a chrome delete on my car as well. I'm gonna send this also to get that fixed. I'm gonna all that will be black, y'all. So I am gonna do a chrome delete on here, which is I'm gonna wrap all this with carbon, with a black carbon fiber, and that could be that little look for that. So I am going with some turn downs on this car. I still got this more cleaning in this car too. I see some trash right there. So when my homeboy get back in town, we make some plans to get together. I'm going to let me start my back deck and my box for this car. Give me an estimate how much you'll charge me for that, all that. I am. Got some more parts coming today. Got some terminals right here to put on. I can do all that to my LS get put in here. It's got a chip out here right now, y'all, but that's it for the old school. I am going with a 480 transmission and everything out the blue Tahoe going in this car. So the motor, transmission, the transmission cooler, all that, y'all. So this car here is gonna be together late or early part of the year. So to be continued on that one now. I am gonna order speakers for this here, the 418s for this here, and the amps real soon for this truck right here. I'm trying to order these speakers for this truck and this speaker here for this car at the same time, y'all. So I'm saving my money up right now. With that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get ready, y'all. I'm about to get this done, y'all. I'm gone. All right, YouTube, y'all just seen the video of my cars so far. I'm not planning for no more cars right now. But I do have the blue Tahoe is at the shop, at my brother-in-law's shop, because I do not have the room to fit it in here. So I am going to bring it home at the end of November, and I will do a walk around of that car as well. So I got some stuff going on right now, so I can't go down to the shop and do a walk around on it. But I am going to bring the car home in late November. So stand by for that video as well, y'all, because that car, man, it came out to, it was messed up real bad. I'm going to go ahead and put it out there. It was messed up real bad. The person who stole my car sold my car. And before he sold my car, he busted the windows out of the car. And basically trashed the inside back where it was. Didn't give a fuck, because you don't do wrong things to people if things not gonna come back to you. So that being said, y'all, stand by for that video of the blue Tahoe. It's coming soon. Like I said, I got some stuff going on all month long, but I plan to bring the car home around about the 26th or the 24th of November. So I have the old school gone, and to the man who doing my LS swap, he's charging me $23 for that. So I'm gonna start ordering. Like I said, I ordered some of my stuff already. I got some stuff right here, which is I needed the most, the freeze plugs. So now I have to order a water pump, and that's it. I got my crossover member coming, my radiator coming, my pulley's coming, my bracket coming. I got some more stuff coming, y'all. But anyway, y'all. But make sure y'all stay tuned and watch this video and the blue Tahoe video to the end. I'm not once I bring the car home, it's going straight to the shop the same day. Cause my LS swap man, his name is Duke. He go pull the motor and transmission out. He go pull the motor and transmission out. The motor already gone out that car there, at the old school. So all he got to do is drop it in, hook my stuff up, run it for a couple of days, and yeah, and get everything together, you know what I mean? But in that, y'all, just run out of kinks out of it so I don't have no problems on the road. And like I said before, y'all, this car here, Mr. Original about to turn up, y'all. So I'm putting the 5.3 in it, like I told y'all before. Everything out the blue tie hole is going in this tie hole. Oh, I'm sorry, in this car. So I'm thinking about going ahead and put my 6 old heads on that 5.3 block and put them 5.3 heads on this motor right here. I'm thinking about doing that too. So stay tuned for that too. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Kind of short and sweet to the point. Hope y'all enjoying y'all a great Friday. I'm sorry, Thursday. God, my days all messed up. Hope y'all enjoying y'all Thursday. And I'm telling y'all, I want to thank all of my 14, 17 subscribers, family members, loved ones, somebody that means a lot to me. You know what I mean? Thank all of y'all for watching this video. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe, and get ready, y'all, cause this about to go down. Tell y'all friends, tell a friend. It's free. Make sure y'all subscribe, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. It means so much to me, y'all. I'm gone. Peace. YouTube, this your boy. I'm in the belly of the beast, the old school, y'all. All right, today, I got some unboxing to do. I got 1 last week and 3 today, well, 4 today. But I got 1 in the mail. He came back and dropped this off. And these right here off. So, let y'all see what I got right here. Let me get me a box cutter, y'all. Show you what I got in these good packages right here. You know, I started buying stuff on my LS Swap. So these right here is brake calipers right here. So I got a new brake caliper for the old school. So the car been sitting up for a long time. So I got new brake calipers. The other one right here. Take this here right here. This right here is my bracket for my motor mounts. This right here, like this right here, will remain sealed. Get in with my real main seal right here. Got my rear main seal, hardware, rear main seal. That's it for this video. Nice and short and sweet to the point. All right, y'all. I'm gone.